Minor bathroom remodels can still require permits depending on the scope of work and local regulations. When planning a half-bathroom remodel, you need to determine if the work changes structural elements, plumbing, or electrical systems because those are the triggers for permits. Start by contacting your local building authority to ask which specific permits apply to your project and request their checklist. Prepare and submit clear renovation plans showing layout changes, fixture locations, and any new or relocated plumbing and wiring. Include specifications for materials and ventilation if you are replacing or adding ventilation fans. For electrical work, list the circuits to be modified, circuit breakers to be installed, and confirm whether a licensed electrician must sign the drawings. For plumbing, show new trap locations, venting changes, and drain slopes so the reviewer can verify compliance. Schedule required inspections at the stages your building department mandates, commonly rough inspection before walls are closed and final inspection after fixtures are installed. Keep permits and inspection records on site. Follow local and national code requirements for fixture clearances, minimum ceiling heights, and ventilation rates to avoid rework. If you are in a historic district, check for additional approvals. When in doubt, consider hiring a permit expediter or consulting with a contractor who regularly pulls permits in your jurisdiction to streamline the process and reduce delays. Common mistakes include assuming cosmetic work does not need permits, which can lead to stop work orders and costly corrective work, so always verify with the local authority before starting. Another issue is submitting incomplete or unclear plans that cause review delays, so provide scaled drawings and clear notes about all altered systems. A third common problem is failing to schedule or pass required inspections, which can prevent final approval, so track inspection timelines, prepare the site for each inspection, and correct any deficiencies promptly. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate local contractors and learn what to expect during projects like half-bathroom remodels. Our site links homeowners and contractors and hosts a discussion community where people share experiences and practical advice.